No, people of London, do you fish? No. There's an old saying, fish where the fish are. Yeah? What that essentially means is you're not going to fish in a pond with goldfish when you're looking for bass. In your sense, you're looking for B2B, right? Or business to business, or that level. In fact, I'll ask you, right? You're the experts. Where would you advertise to connect with fellow professionals? So use platforms that are catered to your demographic. You're going to have information on LinkedIn regarding certain people. For example, I am a CEO of a fintech company. Okay, well then use that information in